Hello parents, welcome to the MLV. As the name suggests, MLV is a short form that we use for making learning visible. Making learning visible is a process through which we showcase the children's understanding of what they have learned throughout this period. That's beginning of the year to right now, whatever they have learned, they are going to showcase their understanding. Let me tell you one thing, this is not a process in which you are going to judge the children. No, we want you to understand how each concept has been done and how the children have understood about the topics. Please do not comment or judge on the performance of any individual child. Take it as a whole class performance and a whole class understanding. So we look forward to all of you watching this video together. You all have already been a part of this and you have been helping your children create the videos, but as a whole, what happened in each subject is what matters right now. Thank you.
Making learning visible can serve as a memory of learning in the classroom, allowing the children and the adults to reflect on, evaluate, and to build their previous work and ideas.
Documentation makes the learning visible to its audience by providing evidence of the children's learning in all the areas of child's development through photographs, transcripts of conversations, and artifacts of their work displayed.
Through this kind of an event, we showcase the steps taken in learning that a student takes to reach a certain level of knowledge.
It also places learning into the hands of students themselves, so they can witness their own process and cultivate self-improvement strategies that support lifelong learning.
Making learning meaningful is important to ensure that children's understanding of the concept is evidence-based and in relation to the world around them.
Teachers make learning meaningful when they link new knowledge to children's previous experiences and relate concepts to children's life and provide children with hands-on learning.
Many people did not attend their modern school, so it was hard for them to understand what their kids were learning, especially in the first few years of the school.
MLV focuses on children's learning of some aspects, not only what we did it, but also how we did it. This process gives children a platform to develop their presentation skills in a non-judgmental environment.
Let's understand the process of this special MLV. Firstly, the teacher began planning for this event almost a month before the actual event.
Brainstorming on the topic to be showcased in each subject was a Herculean task because all the concepts and topics done are of equal importance.
After that, each of us sat down to ponder over which topic should be allocated to each child. All our kids are doing so well. So, we took a random draw and nominated a concept to each child,
So that the parents and the children would have discussed and planned on how to show the particular topic in a different and innovative manner. So let's watch the entire last 6 months of journey in this flashback movie.